What's up, guys? So on today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you one of the 190Es we've been working on for a while. This is a 3.0, not 2.6 M103. It does have a LSD in the rear end, as well as the 7223 transmission. So obviously it can handle a little bit more power than the 7224 that is originally in the 190s. It does have a full standalone microsquirt ECU. We are running it on wasted spark. We do have the M104 fuel rail off of the basically newer model of this engine. We're running a BMW throttle position sensor. We are running a Audi A8L coolant temp sensor. I did just find out you actually can, in fact, use the stock coolant temp sensor, this one that's right here. We're using a Mitsubishi ignition control module. We are using a wasted spark from DIY Auto Tune. Our trigger wheel is actually made by us. And then our crankshaft position sensor is a VR style. Other than that, that's kind of all you need, if I'm being honest. The IAT is a GM sensor. What else? Our injectors are from the M104 as well as the fuel rail. And then our map sensor is just a 2-bar GM map sensor. Very basic and simple setup. But I'll go ahead and show you guys, I guess, this bad boy running.
But it's still, it has some motor. Remember?
Pull out some.